G'day! In today's video I've got an Oppo A58 and this particular one, what I want to show you is how to change the side button. Let's say you didn't see that menu, press and hold the power, it keeps opening Google Assistant and you've missed the opportunity to change it. We should be able to hold volume down and power, I believe just then. No. We want to go into settings and we're going to change that to act as the power button once more. Flick once, flick twice, press the cog at the top of the screen. This will get us into settings. And all I want to do is at the very top here, where it's got search. So we have all these menus, but I just want to type in power button, additional settings. I want to tap on this one. Additional settings, and we've got power button here. Power button. Press and hold the power button. Voice assistant. Power menu. Press hold. We're good to turn off. So hopefully just simply changing that setting there will make your phone a hell of a lot more usable, and you can actually turn it off when you want to. Bye.